Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor from Sri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In this video, we will discuss what are the provisions about trial of a civil suit. Section 30 to 32 and Order 16, 16A, 17 and 18 of the Code deal with trial of civil proceedings. Let us first try to understand steps of a trial. The first stage of trial begins with filing of a plaint. Subsequently, summons is issued to the defendant, who is required to submit his written statement. After oral examination of the parties, the court will conduct first hearing. In first hearing, the court will frame issues. What are issues and what are provisions relating to plaint, written statement and first hearing? You will find all these provisions in my previous videos uploaded on my channel. After first hearing, the court will proceed with trial of the suit. In the present video, we will discuss broadly what are the provisions for trial. Section 30 to 32 and Order 16 to 18 deals with trial of civil proceedings. Order 16 deals with summoning and attendance of witnesses. Order 16A makes special provisions for attendance of witnesses who are confined or detained in prison. Order 17 deals with adjournments in trial or during trial, while Order 18 deals with hearing of suits and examination of witnesses. Let us see first what are the provisions in sections. Section 30 deals with power of the court to order discovery and the like. According to Section 30, court may pass any order which the court thinks fit. The court may direct delivery and answering of interrogatories. The court may direct admission of documents and facts, discovery, inspection, impounding and return of documents. You can watch my previous videos for interrogatories, admission of documents and facts, discovery, inspection, impounding and return of documents. Similarly, the court can issue summons for production of documents or objects. Section 31 deals with summons to witnesses. Section 31 says that summons to the witnesses shall be served as per or like it is served to the defendant. The provisions regarding summons have been given in detail in section 27, 28 and 29. For service of summons, again you can watch my previous videos. After issuing summons, if the person to whom summons has been served either does not appear or refuses to appear before the court, in such situation, court may impose penalty for making default. Section 32 empowers the court to issue warrant for arrest of person who is directed to appear before the court but does not appear for sufficient reason. Similarly, Section 32 also empowers the court to pass an order for attachment and sale of property of the person to whom court directs to appear. The court may impose fine on such person to the tune of rupees 5,000. Similarly, the court may direct that such person to whom summons is served and who does not appear before the court to give security for his appearance, and in absence of it, Court may direct him to be detained in civil prison. Thank you friends for watching the video. In next video, we will discuss Order 16 of the Code.